Hey, this is Tammy Sue Stufflebeam at birth. Roy's by identification card only. Doing the lightning again. Video. It's awesome. It really is. Especially the way it moves. Looks like it's moving clouds. Looks like the lightning actually moved the clouds. In a fast pace. You should have seen it a while ago. It looked like a tomahawk. Oh, here comes the rumbling thunder. I just love watching the storm roll in. They're so awesome. No, I'm not afraid of lightning, Chad. Maybe you are, but I'm not. Wow. I think it's so awesome. Huh? No! Yes! Oh, wow! Oh, man! Oh! Wow! Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Ah! Oh! I love it. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's awesome. Wow. All right, I see you hiding over there. No, I didn't move it. It moved with me. What the heck was that bounced across the street? Oh! Caught that on camera. It shot something right there. Wow. Oh my gosh! What a rush! Wow. Not bad.